And today's vlog comes from Blizzard Beach. Yes. And it feels like it's been ages since we've been here. So really looking forward to it. Typhoon Lagoon was awesome, but let's hope this is just as awesome, if not better. Oh no, Runoff Rapids is closed. That's a favourite ride. I don't really know that, so I don't know which one it is.
I can't remember what one that one is.
Slides are open from 10 AM to 5 PM. I don't think we'll be in here at 5.
All I know is that I can't wait to get into the water so that I can do something with this fluffy mop.
Wow, I haven't seen this before.
Wow. Are they actually cast members or are they just random people doing a jig?
Look like cast members.
Wow, they're Cutting Eye Joe. Wow, that's been a while.
Married long time ago. Where'd you come from? Where'd you go? Where'd you come from? Come now, Joe. So today's UV index is 0 and recommended sun factor is 30, but they reckon there's going to be 0 sun. It's sunny!
When I finally do what frozen things do in summer.
Hey Will, there's nowhere else like this.
Oh, stop it, Lou. Oh, I thought that was your joke. Hey, we've got a hidden Mickey too. So we're now filling up our locker and we're going to switch over to GoPro now because that's waterproof. So if the audio goes a bit pants, then you know why. But anyway, we're going to go and have some fun on some rides. So come and join us. So we're right at the top of Blizzard Beach up on the cable cars section and we're going to go to the observatory deck or the observation deck because we haven't, oh wow, look at this view. We haven't got a clue what's up here. We've come up here and we don't know what's here. Wowee, look at this. This is beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, I could do this one. We've done this one before. We raced each other.
Did we do this one?
Yeah, we raced each other. You ended up with the GoPro mainly in the water though.
Yeah, I remember it facing upwards, so I do remember this one actually. So actually, I think we're going to try this one here. It starts off up here and it goes down. It's a bit of a bumpy one all the way down. So we're going to try that one first and then see if we can really brave this big one, which you can't even see because it's so steep. But yeah, we might brave the big one. Actually, we won't brave it. We'll just go on this one here. Woohoo! What ride are we going on now?
Double dipper.
Bye-bye, Tube. See ya. Now, what do you think of that?
I hammered you.
You did. You actually got down so much quicker than me.
I think it's because I went like, oh, and sort of did that sort of position and like stayed dead flat on the donut. I didn't even have like my bum in the donut. I was just like.
I know. When I came down and hit the water, I nearly fell out.
You nearly fell out?
Yeah.
Oh, it was really good.
This is a brilliant ride. Highly recommend it. And anybody that makes it to here is just a genius. There's quite a big queue for the cable cars, so we decided to take the steps. And I think the further we get up the steps, I'm going to regret it more and more. So here goes. Best off waiting for that, trust me.
Have you like jumped in our tube and then he like got out and he like swimming around? Yeah, that's what I did. That's what I did. That's what I did.
Fun.
Oh yeah.
Day 14. To the rapids.
Yep, we're going to head over to Lazy Rivers now. We're going to check it out. We want to relax a little bit because it's getting a bit busy in the park now, and the ride wait times are creeping up. One way to keep cool. Lazy River! So today it's all about sitting in a dinghy,
Relaxing.
soaking up the rays, having fun. Yeah? I knew he was going to do that.
Oh. Why did I end up getting underneath it? I had got underneath it last time.
Yeah, you got it last time. So we're just dining at the minute at Lotte Water Lodge, and we've ordered some steak fries, bread, pizza. Now you're looking forward to your dinner.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to my chocolate milk.
Nesquik. Like a little kid. Do you want a drink?
Best day of my
So
life.
refreshing. I've gone for this lovely prawn. Oh wow, cool. Prawn and steak fries. How cool is that? Do you want one? So give us your verdict on the pizza. And you've gone for the...
Plate of flatbread, really good.
Is it nice?
Very good. Do you want to try some?
You're the best wifey ever, look. And I
I'm a good wifey.
thought they were going to skimp on the prawns, but they haven't. Bon appetit, Lulu.
Bon appetito.
Wow.
That's nice.
Like that one.
That's a good t-shirt. I think that one fits better than the other one.
You like this, do you?
Yeah.
Quicksilver
Quicksilver.
for $22. So why are you happy, Lulu?
So I got some new flip-flops.
More like you got some Crocs. Crocs are for... Look at you walking. do you like them?
They're so comfortable.
We just got them from the beach something. How do you pronounce that?
No.
Beach Hose. Hawes? Or it won't be Hawes, will it? So beach.
Cool.
If you know how this is pronounced, please leave a comment below of how we should pronounce it. But yeah, Les just gone and brought some Crocs. And apparently they're the most comfiest slippers she's ever worn.
So nice.
Flip-flop cross slippers.
So
But
nice.
this floor is absolutely
Bacon.
baking. It's blistering. You literally take about 5 steps.
Hang on a minute. You've got new ones too.
Well,
These old things.
These-
Take your foot out and show them inside.
it's
Look
like
at that.
it's like super soft. Well, do you remember the other day I had mine stolen, didn't I?
Yes, you did.
Yes, mine was stolen, or should we politically correctly say misplaced?
Yeah, misplaced.
Misplaced. That was at Typhoon Lagoon. So
No,
these.
it was not. It was at Discovery Cove.
Oh, Discovery Cove. Okay, I'm losing the plot here. How you get over being really cold on your shoulders.
Oh, wowzers!
Oh.
Wowzers!
Oh.
You dream about going up there.
So we've done a lot of walking today, and our little feet hurt. So we're going to jump onto Lazy River, and we're going to go and do some relaxing, aren't we?
Yay!
Again. Now, I don't know what the time is. I haven't got a clue.
I don't want to know what that is.
Right, won't have that one.
Oh no. He's got a cold in his nose. Oh. I hate this bit so much. It's so cold. Oh, I didn't get too bad then. Wills has injured himself. Show me your elbow. He's hurt his elbow. You're gonna have a big bruise on there. Managed to tip himself out of the dinghy. Boys. alright there? After your injury? I think he's fallen asleep. Well, hey Will. We are the human centipede of dinghies, aren't we? Oh no, we're in a current, breaking our legs.
Oh!
Please return all rentals to their original location and place all towels in the towel return boxes located throughout the park. All Blizzard Beach water attractions will be closing in approximately 1 hour.
1 hour? We've been here all day. My lord. Well, as you heard just a second ago, that is the call for the end of our day. I didn't realise that we'd been here absolutely all day.
I know. You've been here all day.
Literally, I just thought, oh, we'll spend a few hours here, 3 or 4 hours, but it's now pushing on 4 o'clock. So it's time for us to say goodnight to Blizzard Beach. We're going to go and get changed and try on our new flip-flops and sandals. That's it. But these things are an absolute godsend. The little squirters around the park, and they spray to keep your feet cool. Because if you walk on this section just here, there we are, if you walk on this section, it burns your feet after about 10 seconds.
Oh, and it really burns them. I mean, I don't even mean like just a little bit. I mean, it's a full-blown frazzled bottom of my feet. You want to see the bottom of my feet, dear boy?
Somebody's a bit excited. So yeah, we're gonna head off now. But we will be dining this evening at California Grill. So we're hopefully going to go and watch the fireworks.
So yeah, you'll come with us to that one.
Yeah. We'll see you in a bit. Bye!
Bye-bye.
I'll just show you guys quickly. This is a $15 locker. This is the large one, so that's the size of my hand, just to put it into perspective. Okay. And the small one, which is $10, are these ones. So that's the size you get, basically just a bit bigger than my hand. So if you want to squeeze one bag in, you can. You can squeeze a rucksack into a little one, but you may as well pay the extra $15 to get this in. And to be fair, we've got 2 rucksacks, but 2 rucksacks are a bit of a push.
Ooh, so we're off for Diddy's. We're off to the California Grill.
I'm sure you can see the fireworks going off behind us there. Very disappointed because there's actually no sound whatsoever up here. They have actually just put some background music on, but Wishes up here, a contemporary resort, without the sound, not good. Les is going to go for the rib beef, and I think I'm going to go for the fillet again. So our bread has been delivered, and we've got the complimentary butters as well.
It's table confetti. I'm impatient and fidgety, so I like to play with it. It smells amazing.
Smells nice. So here we've got the short rib beef, and you like it. And I've done exactly the same as the other day for the fillet, or fillet. Pudding has been served. We've got this is marshmallow, this one is meringue. We've got a coil of chocolate with our chocolate pudding in the middle, cream, petals, and a lovely swish of chocolate sauce, which is beautiful. And Lelly has got
creme brulee, butterscotch creme brulee, chocolate, big chunk of like cookie, like nutty cookie, sort of caramelised on top. Huge.
I had this the other day and it was so nice. May we?
I expect it to be hot. It's not as hot.
No, not hot.
That is so good. Sorry, well, I'm not sharing.
Don't be satisfied if I play along, but the voice inside sings a different song. What is wrong with me? See the light as it shines on the sea. It's blinding, but no one knows how deep it goes.
Oh, I do like that song.